Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Beats Fit Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your iPhone. So at first we have to just open the case when they are not paired with any iPhone. As you can see, not your Beats Fit Pro. We have to hit connect button now. As you can see, press and hold the button inside the charging case for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are connecting. Now as you can see we have tips. For example, hey Siri. We have to hit not now. And as you can see, here is our battery percentage. We have to hit done. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.